Hello, my name is Khadija with LA County Parks and Recreation. Today we're going to do this beautiful centerpiece for Mother's Day, which is coming up. I'm going to go over all the supplies that you're going to need. Again, like I'm using a teapot, you can use any vase that you like, but it will be really pretty for Mother's Day as a tea party. So I have a pot. You're going to need some shears for your flowers. I have foam that I already cut, ready to go inside. For the flowers, we have tulips. I have two different colors for tulips. We have lilies. We have iris. We have cabbage, really pretty flowers. Looks exactly like a cabbage. We have roses. We have carnation. I also have wax for my filling. And I have some greens also to go in. So first, I'm gonna put my foam inside. I already have it cut, ready to go. And again, I like the foam. It just helps me, guides me to put all my flowers in. First, I'm gonna do this pretty, looking like a cabbage. I'm gonna just clean the little leaves that I don't like. I'm gonna cut it to the size that I want. I'm gonna use 2 of them. I'll just clean it up, and I'm gonna put one right in the front. Okay, and one is gonna go toward the back. Okay, I'm gonna have my lilies. I'm gonna trim it to the size. Take any excess leaves that I won't need, and I'm gonna put it in the middle so it'll be facing the 2 sides of the pot. Now I'm gonna do my roses. Again, if you need to do more, you can, but that's what I like. I prefer just having 2, so that way you could see them all around. So I'm gonna cut my roses. Again, with the roses, I already cleaned them, and I put the wire through them, so that way they're holding well. With the wires, just go ahead and do them ahead of time. And I took all the leaves also. Okay, so I'm just gonna put 2 on each side. If it's too long, just go ahead and trim it. Sometimes when you put it in, you might get stuck because the pot is a little bit smaller than the vase. You have a lot more room. I'm gonna put one line in the middle. Now I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the tulips, and these opened up really nice. I'm just gonna take the excess leaves. You don't need them because the pot is a small size, and I'm just gonna put them between your roses. Okay, I'm also gonna put one right where the cabbage flower is, so it'll go right under it. And now I'm gonna add my white. These I'm gonna cut a little bit longer. And I'm gonna try and put them right in the top. It's too long, so just trim it. And very careful not to cut or break any of the flowers that's already in. So we got our, I don't like this one, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter because it's way too high. Okay. I'm gonna do icing flowers. And I'm gonna use only 2 for this one, just to give me the color that I'm going for. And I'm gonna put them right between my lily at each end. Okay, so that gives me the color. Now I'm gonna get my carnations. And you can use any kind of flowers. It doesn't have to be these. Just whatever you can find in any of your grocery stores. So I'm just gonna cut them to the size that I like. And these gonna be my fillers. So whatever you see foam, just fill it up. And this goes all the way in the box. I'm gonna add one more lily here. I see a little hole. I don't need to cover it. Okay. Now I'm gonna do, let's do my green first. I'm only gonna use 3 of my greens. I like to spray them, that way they give me that tiny look. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it right where my little cabbages are. Just to give me a little green. Now I'm gonna do my wax. Wax is really pretty. If you don't have it, you can use baby's breath. I just love the flowers that the wax have. cut 2 long ones to go on the top to give me the color. And then the rest are gonna go on the bottom to fill up my holes. Again, very careful, just stick them in. Okay, and the rest are going in the bottoms. Just to fill up all the holes. Just make sure, like, take some of the excess of the little leaves out so that way it'll be easy to go through in the foam. Super easy. One more combination. One more in this spot here. Make sure you get them in the foam so that way they get the water that they need. Okay, this is our centerpiece. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you see any hole, you guys can just fill it up with any of the extra flowers that you have. But look how pretty this little cabbage looks on the side. You get the colors. Again, this is a beautiful centerpiece for Mother's Day. You can use it for a tea party. You can have it at home. You can give it to anybody that you like. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. This is Part From Home, and hope to see you guys next time.